one owner, never been thrashed, never gone above 3,000 RPM. Yo guys, what's going on? Good morning. If you haven't already, make sure you do hit that like and subscribe. I'm always making awesome content. So by today's title, you can tell that I am selling my Toyota 86. What? I know, it's pretty crazy, right? Pretty crazy. But I'm gonna be upgrading. Well, actually, I don't know if I'm upgrading, but I'm gonna be getting a new car, and it's gonna be super exciting. But I'm gonna roll today's clip, and it's gonna be a vlog style, and I hope you guys enjoy. So Sophie's recently been complaining that I haven't been taking her on any dates. There's no dates, and so today I've decided to combat that and make her a happy woman. So I went down to the shops and got her a packet of pitted dates. So hopefully when I come back home, she's gonna be happy. She's gonna let me do what I need to do throughout the day, and she's gonna have her dates, and so everything should be all sweet from there. Hey Sophs. So I know you've been upset lately that I haven't gone on any dates. So I bought you some sweet dates. What do you reckon, babe?
Such a big shit.
What's wrong with it? I thought you wanted dates. So I gave you dates, babe. They're sweet too. That's a sweet date. Do you want to at least try them?
No.
Why not?
Because you're gay.
Yeah. Alright, nah, but for real, she's been upset that I haven't been spending time with her. So I'm gonna go spend some time with her so she can have her sweet dates like the other ones. A few moments later.
So you've got your confit puffs with poached eggs with blue cheese hollandaise sauce, smoked salmon, a chorizo salsa, beetroot hollandaise, and a lovely selection of pickles and edamame. This one here is your blue cheese benedict. On top of your roti fritters, you have pulled lamb shoulder, some fresh kale, poached eggs, and blue cheese hollandaise sauce. You have a beetroot, cardamom, and ginger chai latte, and over here you have a matcha latte. That's a Japanese green tea.
So I assume you guys have already seen what I've been doing today. I had to take my girlfriend out. She was super happy with the dates that I gave her. So that was bang, one thing off my list. Now I wanted to talk about how I'm selling my 86. Now I've owned it for a while. I'm actually really sad to see it go. I've actually had some awesome memories. Now what happened was I'd had it up for sale for a while. I put it up there and it said, you know, if someone comes, offers me a really good price, I'm gonna take it. And just the other week, someone offered me my asking price. And I said to myself, look, I love this car, you know, it's done so many things to me. It's literally gotten me from A to B every single time in style. With the right speed that I want, but it was time to go. These 86s, they're actually on the depreciation line. They're losing value really quickly. Now I was really lucky to be able to get my asking price, but I'm gonna miss it. It's actually leaving in a couple days from now. I can't believe I'm doing it. I can't believe I'm doing it. Are you hungry? Oh, not that hungry? It's alright, I'll eat it. Stop being like that. Anyways, check out what's next. I'm gonna be doing some car shopping. If you guys have any ideas on what I should be buying or what I should get, because I'm still looking at the market at the moment. Everything's really highly priced. I'm not really liking it, but every opinion does help. So if you do think of a car that I should get, make sure you do comment it on the comments down below, just down there. Yeah, make sure you hit that like and subscribe too. Always trying to make you guys some awesome content. Anyways, fam, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching me get half naked in front of my camera and washing my car while dining having a candlelit dinner with my car too, I guess you could say. Alright, peace out fam, thank you. Woo!